Welcome to Learn with Ease. In this video, we will learn how to test for normality for two or more independent variables. In our previous video, we learned how to test for normality for one independent variable. That is to know if the dependent variable is distributed normally and normally distributed amongst the independent variables. So this time around, we'll learn how to do that if in cases whereby we have two or more independent variables. And the procedure is still on analyze, descriptive, explore. Click on explore. Then in this case, before we do this, we will be sure that we have already split our file before doing this, in order for SPSS to understand that this is a two independent variable normality test. And I've shown you guys how to split a file in our previous videos. So if you have not seen that video, you can check. I'll post the link here under the comments. So before you do this, you make sure you split your file, your dependent variables. You splitted them, then you carry out the test. Alright, so we'll now move our dependent variable to the dependent list. So our dependent variable here is interest in politics. So we'll move it to the dependent list, while our independent variable gender and educational level will be moved to the factor list. Alright, so this is just the difference we have with the one independent variable. So click on plot, on tick stem, tick histogram, tick normality. We'll leave the box plot at factor levels together. Then we'll leave this at none. Alright, so click continue, then we'll click OK, and our results pops out. So our result pops out. Interpretation of these results will be done in our next video. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.